any brightness. Hello guys, today's Blue Guy here, and we are going to play, how do I say this, camping too. And
you're really stuttering, aren't you?
Yeah, this is like 60th time recording a video, and I'm sorry that my older brother. No, they didn't fail, Xander. They just my older brother. And I'm really sorry about that, but we're going to camping too. So like camping 1, there was a monster, but I'm gonna record that and upload that soon.
How do I get like the logo?
And Xander is trying to create his YouTube channel. Xander, what's your YouTube channel?
Well, I haven't posted a video, but by the time this comes out, I'll
Okay, his YouTube channel is gonna be called Caden K. Subscribe to him, and let's see if he gets subscribers. More than Yasin, probably, yeah. But
probably not.
wait, what are you gonna? What? Okay, what are you gonna? Are you gonna start off with 0 subscribers?
No.
Are you?
By the way, Xander's
Okay.
but even though I have no subs,
What if she got gazillion subs?
by the way, whatever you do not
Hey Xander, look! I'm going in the bathroom, and guess what I see? A mirror.
And can I tell you something? Is it a public bathroom? Because there's girls there. Maybe.
You know. Okay. I'm just looking at a mirror. Oh my god! Oh my god! I see my dead body. Jeez. Sorry guys, we must be having some electrical oh my god, what happened to my arms? What the frick? Guys, I need to pause this. Okay guys, sorry I had technical difficulties. And you do not want to know what happened to my arms. So we're all dead. Yay. I am dead. Wait, I'm on the floor. No. That's the worst death scene place. I would rather be in a toilet.
Okay, here it is.
Yeah, you got nothing to worry about. Both. I think Daniel is going to be the killer. Someone better pick Daniel. I think he's the killer. So it's been 4 minutes, and I am going to have. I'm speechless.
Get a camera. Take a photo of my computer.
Easy.
By the way,
Okay, so if you can't, you probably won't see my channel. So if you're watching this, then it is search up in Google, and then go search up Blue Guy, go in videos, and then scroll down. If you see a white page, that's my video. If you say it's like, oh, it sucks, no one wanna watch it, you're wrong. Because even though I'm just a starter, it doesn't mean I am not very good. I wanna make friends. And I want you to support my pals, which is Caden K. Wait, actually changing his. Wait, are you changing your channel? Are you changing your channel name?
Shut up, Simi. We're trying to do something.
Is his name Wildfire in his channel?
Yeah.
Well,
Okay.
Well, no,
Is-
not yet. I'm still trying to find the image.
Okay. His channel name is Wildfire Yet. Not yet. Yasin's is Lazy McCrazy.
Can you kind of see it?
2 C's, by the way.
On there and then it's black.
And
Dirty blonde.
I like.
Okay, dude.
Hurry, get
Simi, how do you
inside.
upload it?
Okay, guys, I'm gonna pause it right here.
That sucks.
Okay.
Oh, it's just
So we're in the dark, and we have
freaking do this.
we're gonna go back soon.
I
Oh,
only
is
from
that
my
me?
computer,
No, that's
but
not me. Shoot.
Can you just like get a camera, use his avatar photo in the computer, and just snap it?
Yes.
I'm gonna do it.
Oh my God, it's gonna rain. Hey guys, are you okay? Yes, we're okay. Okay, guys,
He's
we're
talking to
gonna.
himself,
Okay,
because he's so
guys.
lonely.
We're going to end this video right here. We're gonna do a part 2. I'm sorry I can't do it, but I will continue it. I'll leave a script down in the description so you can see how to get my videos. So bye.